advance. To play, to sing, right? To show, to show something. I'm showing this book to you, all right? To try to study, try to study harder. To help, can you help me with this channel, please? By subscribing, by becoming a member. To miss, I missed something yesterday. To pick, to pick the book. You can pick a book or anything. You can pick a towel or anything. Unimaginable, right? To stop, to be quiet, to stop. Be quiet and stop. To wish, I wish everything is okay with you. To last, duración, right? Is the verb duración. To set the table, please, or set up, or set, right? To lose, I lost my keys. To fall is falling down. Something is falling. A tree can fall. You cut the tree, the tree or the tree falls down. All right. Uh, okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Is there anyone over there? No. All right. So I'm alone. And now there is another list of verbs.